My name is Toyin Abraham Ajeyemi. I decided to direct this movie because it has always been one of my dreams. I'm an entertainer and I've tried my hands on so many things. I've produced, acted, so I feel the next thing for me is directing. Nobody was on set with me when I was directing, so it was really crazy, so I did everything myself. I didn't get any help on set with the help of God and myself. But before I got on set, I've spoken to big directors. I spoke to Mr. Niya Kimolayo, and I spoke to my husband, Mr. Kolawole Ajeyemi. I have never doubted myself. I have never for once doubted myself in everything I do. And yes, I get tired on set, and I realize that once you're tired, the movie stops. So I have to keep, now, ginger everybody, ginger the swagger, So I know because I worked with a lot of new faces, it was a bit difficult, but you know me, I pulled through. Because we're supposed to start with Chronicles of Alakada, so a lot of people did auditioning, so I checked it out, and I picked 2 people, and that's their first time acting. So Lola Day played Kafi, and that's her first time acting. Sheyi Kayode played Wale, and that's Sheyi's first time acting as well. And my producer, Muyo Fakorede, this is her first time producing a movie, and she did very well. I'm trying to build a team of young filmmakers, which I'm so happy and glad about. So Listening Ears is going to be on YouTube. Toyin Abraham Ajeyemi Films on YouTube. So go and subscribe so you can watch Listening Ears and a lot more coming. Toyin Abraham Ajeyemi Films. Okay. Hello, Anytime. So go to YouTube, go and subscribe to Toyin Abraham Ajeyemi Film. Subscribe and watch. Subscribe and watch. Mabino don't bag me. Please, ebe mobe. Set.